Hi friends, welcome to Design Art for Kids. Today, we're diving underwater to color this amazing submarine with a fun color by number activity. Are you ready to explore the deep sea with us? Let's get started. Step 1. Let's begin with number 1, pink. Use pink to color the submarine's wings. It's already looking so bright and exciting. Step 2. Now, it's time for number 2, green. Fill in the middle part of the submarine. Doesn't it look cool? Step 3. Let's move to number 3, blue. Use blue to color the waves around the submarine. It's like it's floating in the ocean. Step 4. Next is number 4, yellow. Color the top of the submarine with this sunny shade. It makes the submarine stand out. Step 5. For number 5, red, color the rest of the waves. Now the ocean looks so vibrant. Step 6. Finally, let's use purple for number 6 to color the submarine's windows. What a fun and colorful ride!